Hello, mga kaguro sa Pilipinas. Ngayon, kailangan kong, ang tawag dito, kailangan kong i-share itong material for you. This is, I think, the second English activity, yes, English 2 activity or activity sheet na pwede kong i-share sa inyo. Well, anyway, ito ay para sa ating mga mag-aaral dito sa Pilipinas. At tsaka I think itong ginagawa ko is really appropriate sa mga grade 1, grade 2, or grade 3 learners. Ngayon, tignan naman natin itong recognizing nouns in simple sentences. It's an activity sheet or worksheet. For example, a cat. Tama. So, it's not a sentence. So, this is a cat. Then, this is a cat. My name is Dan. It's a black rat. Para kasi you have to recognize kasi yung nouns in simple sentence. So these are simple sentences dapat yung nasa baba. So it is a black rat. So dapat may period. Well, anyway, dapat may ibigay muna tayong mga input tungkol sa simple sentences at saka sa kung ano ang nouns para ibigay lang natin ito sa kanila. I think this is this activity sheet should be given second week ng first quarter. Tignan natin mamaya, okay? So ulitin ko, first quarter po ito sa English 2. Ayan, may copyright notice tayo dyan. At saka yung preface, makikita natin dito, okay. I think first quarter siya. First quarter, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Eighth week, I think so. Tapos, 2.4. Pwede, pero ang alam ko, pwede ring ibigay ito kasi nasa milk na tayo eh. We follow the most essential learning competency ngayon. So, I think hindi pwedeng nasa third week ito or nasa fourth week. Okay, so I think that's it. Ulitin natin yung competency niya is recognize nouns in simple sentence. Ayan, so table of contents, andyan yun. Wala nga lang reference sheet, tinanggal ko. So activity 1, underline the nouns in each sentence. For example, I like to eat fruits. Ryan wants to sleep. The room is clean. My teacher is beautiful. The girl is dancing. So, maganda talaga ito sa ating mga grade 1, grade 2, at saka grade 3 learners. So, uulitin ko before or kung gusto naman na ninyo itong material na ito, just message me on Messenger para ma-send ko sa inyo ang soft copy niya. At saka maibigay lang ma-print lang ninyo actually tapos after ninyong i-print, edi ibigay na lang sa bata. So, uulitin ko, supplementary learning material ito. Ang problema kasi dito sa worksheet na ito, wala yung discussion part. So, puro activities lang ang andito, which is okay. Which is okay kasi ang mahalaga, it will just support yung mga binigay mong materials tungkol sa nouns at saka tungkol sa simple sentence. Okay? Ayan naman sa activity 2, encircle the noun in each sentence. So, he's good, the doctor is smart, the book is thick, the phone is ringing, Ella is pretty. Um, so, activity 3, box the noun in each sentence. The box is big, the ball is small, the ladybug is in the box, the weather is fine, the pail is empty. So, assessment 1, andito na rin. James is writing. The tree is tall. Lester loves dancing. Flory is happy. The pencil is short. Okay? Uh, andyan na rin yung assessment 2. Encircle the letter of the noun found in each sentence. The blue shirt is wet. Try natin to. The blue shirt is wet. So, ano ang noun? It should be shirt. Tama. It should be letter C. The black cage is clean. So, ano ang sagot? Cage dapat. Okay, that's it. So, uulitin ko, gagawan ko siya ng learning module din or video module para ibigay ito at saka yung video module, i-download lang ninyo yung video module ko. So that means, well anyway, kung hindi niyo alam anong tawag dito, kung hindi pa ninyo masyadong alam mag-download ng video sa YouTube, meron din akong nagawang video tungkol doon. Okay? You can have that. Tapos, answers for activity 1, answers for activity 2, answers for activity 3, answers for assessment 1, ayan, assessment 2, at saka answers for enrichment. Uulitin ko, if you have problems dito sa material na to, you can just message me, or kung gusto niyo yung maidagdag, you may do so. Okay? Well, ang hirap kasi uh, hindi ko na siya dinagdagan ng iba pang input tungkol sa nouns kasi I think it will just supplement yung mga ginawa ninyo, or kung meron man kayong ibigay na material tungkol sa nouns, pwedeng i-insert na lang ito. Uulitin ko, ang gagawin ng bata dito is to recognize. So, uulitin natin yung recognize. Ang ibig sabihin ng recognize is they would look, they would look for the nouns sa sentence or sa simple sentence, or they would identify yung nouns sa simple sentence. Okay? That's it. So, if you have problems, pwedeng nyo akong i-chat, or uulitin ko, for example, napanood na ninyo itong video na ito, pwede naman ninyong i-share, o pwede kayong mag-subscribe, pwede rin ninyong i-like yung video na ito. So, after ninyong ginawa lahat nung sinabi ko, after liking the after ninyong i-like yung video at saka i-subscribe yung YouTube channel ko, at saka of course i-share kung gusto ninyo, i-message na lang ninyo ako sa Messenger, and okay na siya. Okay? So thank you so much for your support, at no worries, gagawa pa ako ng iba pang materials. Okay? So I think these are the activities na pwedeng ibigay sa mga bata, and that it's appropriate. Okay? So I think, again, wala na ata akong masasabi dito. Thank you so much for your support, and thank you for watching my videos. So again, ulitin ko before I end this video, please, please, please message me on Messenger for the soft copy of this, for the soft copy of this material. Bye!